Hello, I'm Pierre Gall from the Embedded Kit, and we are live from the CIDO 2024. With me, Jean-Laurent.
Yes, I am Jean-Laurent Gazelle from AAEON Technology. I'm Business Development Manager for South Europe.
Today we are really proud to announce our new partnership between the Embedded Kit and AAEON. We unveiled our porting of our distribution based on Linux on your fresh new hardware. Could you say a little bit more about it?
The next platform is a 2-inch board, which is available as a board or as a box PC solution, completely fanless. It's powered by Allo Lake P technology, and we can mount up to a Core i7 inside this box. Thanks to this partnership, we are able to provide a solution, a bundle solution, especially for customers who are looking for custom-made distribution based on Yocto BSP.
Yeah, you're right. At the Embedded Kit, we provide a Yocto-based Linux distribution. So we enjoy all the benefits of Yocto. That means a fully customizable image with high capabilities of optimization, and we pre-integrate it with your hardware. So customers are ready to go with this technology.
For customers, security is becoming a growing concern, and thanks to this partnership, we are also able to address this point.
We pre-integrate a set of cybersecurity features in our Yocto distribution, including, for example, the secure boot or secure storage. We also enable long-term maintenance and vulnerability scanning with our scanner of CVE. So we really target to support this future regulation, for example, the CRA that come in Europe, and that will be a key topic to manage for equipment manufacturer.
So last one is related to the OTA data source devices. So thanks to the pair integration and all the work done by the Embedded Kit team, we're able to provide solution for the software updates of the device, with also the device management of deployed units. So basically, this platform is the very first one provided with the Embedded Kit, but we hope that it will be like one of the first platform among multiple others that will be coming soon.